Hi, you're back crafting with Michelle from Michelle's Ink and Stamp It. And today we're going to talk about the new Close to My Heart Craft with Heart subscription program for scrapbooking. So let's get started here. I'll show you how to get to it. There. So you can get to it from my blog by tapping the Shop with Me. Or you can go to michellepryor.ctmh.com and you can, that's my website. So they have shop, promotions, subscription, products, and what we do. And if you tap on subscription, it's going to take you to the Craft with Heart. So this is the little box you're going to see in a minute. It comes on your doorstep. So it's our new subscription program, and you can subscribe monthly, or you can do it for 4 months, or you can do it annually. And each one saves you money, obviously. So you get it delivered to your doorstep, and you get everything you need to complete the layouts, including instructions on how to put things on. The pages are pre-printed up. They give you the stickers, the die. We'll go through all that stuff here in just a minute. So if you do the annual one or the 4-month one, or even the 1-month one, you would just get one of the, get this one for September, which is 2 2-page layouts, October, November, and December. So when you choose which one you want, obviously you save with each one. So in the monthly program, you'll subscribe to that. You'll pay a $4.95 shipping and handling monthly, and you'll receive 1 kit each month. And with the 4-month subscription, you're going to pay the shipping and handling, and that you'll get it. It will be delivered every 4 months. So you'll get 4 kits every 4 months. And then in the annual subscription, you will get a 20% discount. You get free shipping and handling. You're billed annually, and you're shipped your kits every 4 months. You'll receive 4 kits every 4 months. Plus, you'll get 30 free persnickety prints every 4 months with that to complete your layouts. So that gives you enough pictures to print the pictures that you want to put in all the 4-month layouts that you get. Okay, so that's that for that. And then below they have frequently asked questions, so you're not left in the dark by anything. Most all your questions are answered. If not, you just leave me a comment or send me an email, and I will get right back to you. So let's get started. Be my first unboxing of these. Okay, sorry, my video stopped and I didn't realize it, so here we go again. Luckily I heard the chime. Okay, so I showed you the card and the 33 free print coupons that you get. So now let's take this out and we'll see what all we get this way. So each one comes packed in its own little kit. So you can see you get all 4 of them there. And so you get a little project back with it too, so you'll be able to hold everything in there. Sheet of instructions. Shows you how to do everything, gives you all the measurements of where to put everything, and you'll get that for both layouts. You're going to get place called, these are the your place card holders that tell you where to put your pictures. So you get landscape and portrait on where to put them, so they go on your layouts, so that you can mark what goes where. some little mats, I guess. You get stickers. So these are gonna, they've got, for layout 1, it tells you on here, they got your title. Everything's done for you, so it's just really cool. You just peel it off and put it on where you want it, or where they show you to put it. You don't have to do that, of course. These are some die cuts that you just punch out. The butterflies, you get a flourish for the front, some flowers, little tabs. So different things for different parts. More little photo mats. And then of course you get your paper. So this is for one set of layouts, which was on this side. And they're just one-sided, so you get that, get the stickers, and then this is your second set, your other layout page. So again, and you put it just how they show you. So this would be the one page and the other one. So like that is how that goes together for that page. But again, you don't have to do that. You can do it exactly as they show you. You can add more, you can add less to it. Whatever you want to do. And then you get 3 page protectors in each one for your layouts. Set these over here so I don't lose everything out of it. And then your second one. Really nice to have those big project bags. You can use those for other things when you're done. So again, you get your layout sheet. Tells you everything. Then for the second set, you got everything again. With this one, you'll get your place card holders as well for your photos. You will get stickers. And the stickers, by the way, they're really thick, really good quality too. You're going to be really happy with them. They're not thin, they're not cheap looking. They're really nice. You're going to get some Picture My Life cards that you'll be able to put on the layout to back your photos and do your journaling. This comes with some border pieces. I don't know if you could, they have a design on them, so the little arrows. I don't know if you could see that or not. Yeah. And then your die cut sheet where you just punch it out and put it on your paper where it goes. Here. So these are your pages here. This has, if you like the splatter effect, but you don't know how to do it, well, you don't have to worry because all this stuff is pre-printed right on your paper, and you'll never know that you didn't do it on there. It's going to look like it's dimensional just because of the way it's printed in the materials. So here's these pages. And then, oh, look at this. This has a wood grain on it. And this has the stitching. If you love to see the stitching on your scrapbooking and that, only you don't have to stitch it, but it's going to look like you did. So you get those two. You get your page protectors for that. And again, these bags give you plenty of room. So that's a bonus. You'll get that afterwards. You'll be able to use that afterwards for something else. So be sure to keep those. And then this is a Christmas layout. I think this is actually the December one, so I should have done the other one first. But you'll get your layout, what to do, the measurements on where to put everything. This one you also get the place card holders for your photos. You're going to get some little tag pieces to put on your, behind your photos and that. More stickers. This is your title, Be Merry. So again, you don't have to do any of the thinking. It's all done for you. You could just put it on. By all means, you can add to it. You can take our shimmer brushes and add to these, the little red dots and that, and the stickers to make them shiny and pop. You can add some gems if you want to it. More stuff to be applied on there. Your die cut sheet. And then these are the pages. So these already have the tags and stuff laying on here. You'll put your photos on and then add those other embellishments on as I showed you. And then I love this one, the chalkboard look. And it really does look like it's done with chalk. So you're going to love that. Again, you'll get 3 more memory protectors. And then this was the November one. So again, here's your sheets. I love this paper. This paper is gorgeous. The fun, real fun. Oh, look at that. That's really cute. Look at those colors. So again, your photo placeholders, your sticker sheet, all the little pieces that you need for your, to put on your layouts, your die cuts. I don't know if you can see this or not. These have, these are snowflakes. Not sure where you can see them at, but there's a bunch of snowflakes on there, another snowflake. All these little pieces to cut out, or not cut out, they're already cut out for you. You just pop them out. And it tells you this part goes on layout 1. This is layout, the die cuts for layout 2. So it's all there for you. Again, on the stickers, it does the same thing. Layout 1 stickers, layout 2 stickers. When you don't have time, I hear people, moms that just start out with their new babies and stuff, I don't have time. Well, this, you have time for this. Trust me. It's all there. Here's, oh, look at this paper. I love this paper. How cute is this? Family photos at the snow. You went to Tahoe or someplace to, well, I guess I'm making it so you can't see it. I'm looking at it. Okay. 3 page protectors in here. Again, you've got your large page project bag that it can all fit in, and all the memory protectors and everything fit right in it. So you've got everything you need to complete. So there's four sets, so it's 8 2-page layouts. So you're partway through your year, so you're going to get those every 4 months if you do the annual subscription, which is what I suggest to do. And you can't go wrong with this. So I will show you this completed soon, or we'll go layout by layout, I guess, and get that together for you. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the little bell so that you get notifications every time that I post a video. And then I'll have more videos that you possibly might like over on this side. Thanks for joining me. Again, you're Crafting with Michelle, and we'll see you soon. Bye.